Bitcoin. And is this the end of war in Ukraine, which we will see in the near future right now, or is it only some hopium which we're getting right now? I explain you exactly why I'm telling you this. This is not a clickbait, but because also I am a Russian and Ukrainian. I'm hoping that this war will come to end. This is one we will speak about it, and the second thing about which we will speak is this huge pump on Bitcoin, and is this a fake out to the upside, or will we see right now a further pump to 20k, and then obviously to our price target of this descending broadening wedge which we have on the daily, which the price target is at 26k. This is what we will speak right now about it, bratans. Thank you everyone who subscribed to this channel. So let's go in the charts, and this is why I speaking about is the end of the war in Ukraine near. So Russia's defense minister Shoigu holds second call with US defense secretary in 3 days. So this is the second call. And why they are speaking? They're speaking because Russia claims that they found on an airport proof that Ukraine itself want to throw a nuclear bomb, a dirty bomb on Ukraine itself, to pretend that this was Russia, and so that NATO and US and all the NATO is helping Ukraine fight against Russia. This is what Russia saying, and they have, like Russia says, they have a proof of it, that they found this nuclear bomb and they could prevent it from the detonation, from using this nuclear bomb. But we are on the edge of a nuclear, I don't want to say nuclear war, but obviously a nuclear weapon which would be used in Ukraine. And this is the reason why the defense minister of Russia is speaking to the US, and this is for long term. They're speaking again with each other, because the last call which they had with each other was in May. So this is June, July, August, September, October, November. It's nearly half year ago when they speak, and this is very, very bullish, not only for the market, but much more important, that not more people die. This is the first thing. The second thing, if end of the war happens soon, we will see a massive bull run. This is for sure, because we will see a better relations between Russia and USA, and this will also be, we will see obviously this in the gas prices, because maybe then Europe gets gas again, because USA is allowing, like the big brother is allowing Europe to get gas, and so on and so on. But what I'm asking myself, why speaking US with Russia again? Is it really because of this nuclear weapon, or they speaking about what I told you in this video today, that China support BRICS expansion with Saudi Arabia? So Saudi Arabia is considering to enter the BRICS, and the BRICS are here. BRICS is the acronym coined to associate 5 major emerging economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. And if Saudi Arabia enters this alignment, what it means, the most of the energy is coming from the BRICS states, and this would be horrible for US. Why? Because Saudi Arabia is considering to sell oil not in dollar. They want instead to sell not only in dollar, also in yen, in ruble, in euro, in rupiah, and this means the end of the petrodollar, and this would mean a huge, big crisis for the US. And I think, in my opinion, this is only my opinion, this is the reason why suddenly US speaking again with Russia. But anyways, I hope they will find something to end this bloody war where so many people dying. This is really crazy. It's like brothers and sisters killing each other. So this is the major thing. This is the macro news you wanted from me. If you want more of this, write me down below. I will explain it to you, because this is the big thing what we have to watch. Not only because obviously we want end of the war, but the second thing, if the war ends, we will see huge bull run. This is for sure. I am for sure that this will happen. So, and let us right now watch what is on Bitcoin happening. This looks very amazing, bratans, because we are breaking off this descending broadening wedge. Like I told you, the technical price target is here around 26k. Yes, around 26k. You see here perfectly. This is the price target, and this could be big long opportunity. I like this candle. I mean, still 7.5 hours to close this daily candle, but I don't like the volume. I want to see more volume to really confirm this breakout. Another thing, be very careful right now, bratans. Why? We reached our price tag of 19,800. Congratulations to everyone. I told you, if we are retesting and pass the retest, we can set here long. So you are right now over 2.9% in profits, 10x average, 29%, 20x average, over how much? 56%, no, 58% in profit. Take profits right now. Why, bratans? Because we are heavily overbought on the 1 hourly. We are heavily overbought on the 15-minute, and we are also overbought on the 4 hourly. So take profits right now, because it would be very healthy if we see here some cooling down, right? And like I told you, I remain bullish unless we're breaking 90,130. If we break 90,130, we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. So if we break 9,130, then our price target is this yellow line of 18,500 right now, approximately 3.3%, 10x, 33%, 20x, 66% short opportunity. As long as we not break 9,130, it's still for me a very clear bullish situation, which we see right now. And we could see, I want to see here cool down. Obviously, I want to see cool down because we are heavily overbought. But if we see here cool down, I'm expecting here, even if we're long from here with the stop loss slightly below 90,130, the upwards is, I mean, our next price target would be obviously 20k, right? After 20k, our next price target would be slightly below 20,400. So alone, this is 3%, 10x 30, 20x 60%. And then we have our big price target of around 26k of this descending broadening wedge, which I showed you. And here are the price target over 31%, which we can make on a long 10x average, 310%, 20x average, over 620% long opportunity. However, bratans, for my super day traders, for professional ones, yes, you could short right now, bratans, but very dangerous, because if we see a very huge big news coming out, we will see a short squeeze, and we will see even a bigger pump over 20k. Be careful right now. I personally would wait what is happening right now, and obviously if we are cooling down and not breaking below 90,130, I would set another long position. If we break 90,130, I would short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. And don't forget, bratan, we are trading at the moment on Bybit. Where's Bybit? Here, Bybit. If you also want to trade on Bybit, you get $4,620 for free. You can use it for trading after initial deposit. If you don't have initial deposit, you get still free access to my Discord and Telegram channel through my affiliate link. Link is down below. So very clear, Ethereum is heavily also pumping, bratans. Obviously be here very careful also, because if Bitcoin is breaking down because we are heavily overbought, then the price target would be here 1,320. So it could be a short opportunity of 6.2%, 10x average 62, 20x average 120% short opportunity. If Bitcoin further breaking to the upside, then I'm expecting here that we will see Ethereum at least at the level of around 1,500. So 6.8%, 10x average 68%, 20x average over 150% long opportunity. Why 1,500? Because you see here a big resistance coming in. So very clear. Also Ethereum we can short long on Bybit also with this bonus, bratans. So in my opinion, very clear. Please write me down below, do you like again this macro updates, because they are very important for our market. Also, what I told you, bratans, watch the S&P 500, because it's leading indicator for Bitcoin. If S&P 500 pumping, Bitcoin pumping. If S&P 500 dumping, Bitcoin dumping. And I told you, if we're breaking this purple line to the upside, this would be very bullish for us, for the S&P 500, and obviously for Bitcoin. And this is what happened right now since days. I told you about this, bratans, and we see right now very clear and proof valid breakout to the upside, bratans. Amazing. So this very bullish for S&P 500 and also for stock for Bitcoin, right? Because S&P 500 is leading indicator, and S&P 500 also overbought on the 4 hourly, also overbought on the 1 hourly, heavily overbought, and also heavily overbought in 15 minutes. So I want to see here also some cooling down, and it would be amazing if we are maybe even retesting this purple line, but if we break this purple line to the downside, S&P 500 will dump and also Bitcoin will dump. So watch out for the S&P 500, but we need here to cool down. Maybe this is a short opportunity right now for the professional traders. Yes, you can short right now. However, I personally would wait until we're breaking this purple line to the downside, or like I told you on the S&P 500, or like I told you, if we break 90,130 on Bitcoin, then we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. And unless we're not breaking it, it's a long opportunity in my opinion. So bratans, please write down below, is it helpful? In my opinion, very valuable information. Please write down below, and don't forget, I uploaded a third episode from my Dubai trader vlog, how I watched an apartment for $20,000 billion trillion. Watch out for it. It's on this channel. It's the third episode. You want it, I also did for you. It's a big program, bratans. Also today, a very valuable information. Only Slavik Younger doing this for you. So please hit the like button. If not, I don't care, bratans. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.